Hello everyone, so I thought I would share with you some embellishments that I've been making. As you can see, they are all exactly the same. Now the snowflakes that I used are these, and you can find these at Dollar Tree. So these are those foam glittered snowflakes. And then I used these, but of course I used the silver ones. These are also from Dollar Tree. But the silver ones, I don't know if it's because they're thicker. There's only 5 pieces in each package. So these embellishments are going to go on altered bags that I'm going to make. So I thought I'd share with you really quickly, like a little quick process video on how I put these together, which is extremely simple, you guys. I wanted to make it extremely simple because it is 40 of them that I am making. So I wanted, obviously, to mass produce these as quick as possible. And I do have a little bit of dimension. So behind each of my image, I have some foam tape, and then everything else is just hot glued, again because I'm trying to make this as fast as I can. All of these images are from Polkadoodles, and they come from 3 different collections. It is Winnie White Christmas, Winnie in Winterland, and Winnie Heavenly. And you can see that these images, you guys, are gorgeous. I also want to point out that I did not color these. I do get a lot of questions asking if I have colored these images. I do not color. If you've followed me for a while, you know I can't Copic color at all. I have said it many, many times. And this has been the best solution ever, you guys. This is amazing. These images from Polkadoodles, you can see they are extremely cute, gorgeous, beautiful, you name it. And I am super happy to have worked with these images because look how gorgeous they are. I mean, look at that coloring, you guys. It is amazing, and you can't go wrong with these. So these are perfect projects for anything pretty much. Now I chose to punch these out using a 2.5-inch circle. You can obviously use them as you wish. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. Just wanted to show you really quickly all of the images. So you can see that they are all different. So you do get a lot of images in each of the collections. Look how beautiful that is. So I just wanted to make this really quick video to show you my embellishments, and there are 40 in here. I probably didn't show you all 40 because I did already start assembling a couple other bags, but let me show you really quickly what that's going to look like. Like I said, I do have to make 40. I don't know if I'm going to add this. I need to keep it as simple as possible because I think this is going to take up a lot of my time, even though this is simple. But imagine having to make 40 of this, and this is the day of, you guys. This is Sunday, so you can see that I am doing things at the last minute. All right, so like I said, I just wanted to share these with you really quickly, just give you an idea on some really quick handmade embellishments. Or you can also use these as tags, or you can use these as ornaments. I think it will look gorgeous if you just adhere this onto a package. All right, thank you so much for watching, and hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.